I have refilmed this intro like 5 times. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Thank Truck It's Friday. Today I'm here to unbox this amazing Indel B portable compressor refrigerator. We have done another video before showing you some more products from the range, so what I'll do is I'll tag that above here so you can go and watch that after the video. So as the weather starts to warm up, this will be the perfect companion for any driver. This is the Indel B 30-litre portable compressor refrigerator, 12 to 24 volt. So I'm just going to quickly take it out of the packaging so you can see what the product looks like. So I've just unboxed the product here so you can take a look. This is actually made by Indel B. Indel B are an Italian company who also produce hotel minibars and under-counter refrigerators. Indel B also produce aircon units like the Oblo 1600. Learn something new every day. This is part of Indel B's portable travel box range. They do actually do smaller and bigger sizes, so this is the TB31 30 litres. So what I'll do is I'll link the products below so you can see the different capacities and what different prices they are. So the range starts at TB15 and it goes all the way to TB51, but like I said, I'll link that below so you can take a further look into that. These are great for trucks, vans, motorhomes, they're great anywhere really. At the back of the refrigerator is a plug for a 12 to 24 volt, along with these wires which come inside the packaging, so you'll have them with you. So it's plug and play and super simple to set up. It's great for truck drivers who want to keep their food fresh for a week or so whilst on the go. And they can actually go down to -18 degrees to keep your food nice and cool. The idea of this is portability, so you can choose what you'd like to do with it. Take it out on the go or take it with you in your truck or vehicle. Like I've said, these are compressors, so they're not your normal cool box. Indel are an excellent brand with amazing warranty support. We here in the UK can repair these fridges. We have multiple people trained up and parts in stock to get that sorted if you have a problem. We do have a full range on our website of all the portable travel box range, but we can actually send you out a brochure if you'd be interested in looking into that further. But if you want the best on the market, in our opinion, go with Indel B. It's great for on the go, wherever you'd like to go, even out for the day or in your truck driving for a week. This fridge has huge capacity, which means you have plenty of room for all your snacks and drinks. And yeah, that's all there is to it. It's super quick, super simple, and great for on the go. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like below and also subscribe. And also remember to click the little bell notification if you'd like to find out when we post or any other updates. And that's all from me, so goodbye!